was lonely, you came waltzing over to me, and your eyes, they saw right through me. You heard each one of my cries for you. You came to rescue me. I was broken, every prayer that I had spoken reached your ears, and all my tears weren't crying. You carried all my pain, you put me back together again. You watch over me in the darkest valleys. You watch over me when the night seems long. You help me to see the way before me. You watch over me. You watch over me. Always faithful to believe.